Everybody, how you doing? Thanks for coming back. Who here loves vacuuming? Not me. However, even when you're retired, this is something that you have to do. It's a rainy day outside in Toronto, so this is the time that we can keep up with the housework because, hey, it's not going to do itself. The reason I brought up vacuuming is because that's one of the jobs that I had back in the day. I was a vacuum cleaner salesman. Wasn't the greatest job in the world, but I did learn one thing. To keep a vacuum cleaner for a long time, clean all the filters. Clean all the filters regularly. The vacuum cleaner will last and work the way it was designed. Not all the jobs can be gems, right? Anyway, leave a comment below on some jobs that you might have had that you didn't love, but you did learn something from it. Let's continue because it's not going to do itself. That's it for now. So, thanks for showing up, and remember, drop a comment, and then let me know. You have some jobs that you didn't love? Mine was vacuum cleaner salesman. There must be tons of other jobs. Anyway, being retired doesn't mean you don't have to do housework, but it means that doing the housework is not so bad because, hey, that's the way it is. So, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.